Hello, Simon Nobbs here in the studio, South Coast Studio in Hythe, Kent. Wanted to do this little video. It's going to be something a bit different. It's a kind of unboxing video. As you can see, I've been preparing some sample boards for my next visit to Blenheim Palace. That's going to be on the 30th of July, on the Wednesday. And we did one before at Blenheim, and that was the end of May, and that went really well. That focused on faux marbling. This time we're going to be focusing on faux marbling and wood graining. As many of you will probably know, faux marbling and wood graining were placed on the endangered crafts list. And I want to talk about, on the day, I want to talk about what we at South Coast Studio are trying to do to help reverse that problem. There's a problem at the moment with professional and good quality teaching in these crafts. So we're trying to reverse that with our own courses and workshops here at South Coast Studio. So, as you may know, many of you probably know, I use Polyvine products to produce my my paint effects, and on my courses I use it to teach with. It's a good product. You know, I do use other products, but I like to use the Polyvine products. You can get them almost anywhere, really. They're available, easy to get hold of, not too expensive, and it's a good quality, consistent product. So anyway, I reached out to Polyvine to let them know that I should be doing my second day at Blenheim Palace, and they were quite excited to find out that I was going to be talking about their products. So they sent me a little package. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing. So here it is, Polyvine. So let's see what they sent. So we've got some leaflets, which will be quite handy. So they're going to be talking about the products and in more details. As you know, they've got the new lineup, the new facelifted bottles, and the marketing on that, and it's just slightly easier. It makes it a lot easier to choose off the shelf exactly what you want. We've got all the new packaging and all the details and the labeling and so on. So that's very good. So that sort of talks about that, so that's good. So I shall be handing those out. Ooh, we've also got a number of their excellent colorants, so got a lot of those. So let's have a look what we got here. Ooh, all sorts of colors. These are highly concentrated acrylic colorants that can be added to their products, their varnishes, their scumble glazes, etc. So we've got a lot of those, very useful. Loads. Very generous of them. I shall definitely be using all of those up. So what else have we got? We have got, let's have a look. Aha, we've got some sample pots. So we've got sample pots of their varnishes. One of these are 100ml sample pots. So I can probably, I'm hoping I'll be able to hand some of those out on the day. Yeah, lots of varnishes. Varnish, varnish, varnish. All sorts of different varnishes there. Very good, excellent. Well, there we are. So these products will be very useful for me to perhaps give out to some people on the day. Do come along and see us if you're in the area. As I say, that's on Wednesday the 30th of July. I shall be demonstrating some of these products. I shall be talking about the initiative from Heritage Crafts Association regarding the fact that a lot of our crafts in this country are on the red list. There are some who are some crafts who are endangered, and there are some that are critically endangered, and we need to try and reverse that if we can. Try and get some more teaching, some more courses, some more people involved. Get the youngsters involved. Try and get the kids from, or the youngsters from the colleges. Perhaps some of the we can perhaps talk in to some of the schools, sixth form, that kind of thing, about careers, and try and encourage a few more people to come into the heritage sort of conservation side of these amazing paint effects, especially wood graining, foam marbling, and broken colour work in general. So these products will enable me to talk about the acrylics, how they work, and do some demonstrations and try and get some people involved. So that was it. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall be doing some more samples, and I'll get some samples up on Instagram and Facebook, and we can we can start looking at different ways that we can create these effects. And yeah, hopefully you'll keep watching. Thanks very much. Bye.